So we have a polygon that's partially hidden and it has n sides. However, we can only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can only see 5 of the sides fully and 2 of the sides partially. That's what the question says. The part of the polygon that we can see is also a 9-sided polygon. Let me explain what I mean. We see 7 of the sides, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus these 2 sides. Of course, they don't belong to the original hidden polygon, but it's important to observe that this shape has 9 sides. It's a 9-sided polygon. Of course, it's not regular. And we also know A plus B is 144. The question says that. We need to calculate this reflex angle, C. So, what we see here, the visible part of the partially hidden regular polygon is a nonagon. That's what I'm trying to explain here with green lines. Now, the sum of the 9 angles of any 9-sided polygon is 9 minus 2 times 180, which is 7 times 180, which turns out to be 1260. Okay, how do we find the size of each angle of a regular polygon? Well, in a very similar manner, 5 minus 2, which is 3, 3 times 180 is 540. Take 540 divided by 5, you're going to get 108. So this angle is 108 degree, of course. Now, that's what I'm trying to say here. If this is 108, the size of angle C has to be 360 minus 108 or 252. So we're going to define each of these 6 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 angles belong to the regular polygon that's partially hidden. They should all be the same size. We're going to say each dot represents x degrees. Once again, these dots represent the same number because they are 6 of the angles of a regular polygon that has n sides, and we're trying to determine the value of n. That's what I'm saying here. Okay, what we see, the part of the regular polygon that's visible has 9 sides and it has 9 angles. 3 of those 9 angles are A, B, and C, and 6 of them are each x. So 6x representing the 6 dots, A plus B together is 144. That's what the question says. And 252 is the value of C that we calculated on the previous slide. And where is 1260 coming from? When you add 9 angles of any 9-sided polygon, you're going to get 1260. Why? Because 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 times 180 is 1260. Once we establish that, we can easily use this equation to solve for x. 144 plus 252 is 396. If you subtract 396 from both sides, you're going to get 6x equal to 864. If you divide both sides by 6, you're going to get 144. Just for the record, the fact that A plus B is 144 doesn't have a whole lot to do with the fact that x turns out to be 144. It is just a coincidence. From the previous discussion, we can conclude that this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle, each is 144. Okay, this 144 doesn't have anything to do with A plus B. A plus B happens to be 144, but 2 minutes ago we established that each angle of the regular polygon that's hidden is 144. If the hidden polygon has n sides, that's what the question says, so it will have to have n interior angles, and each interior angle is 144, so n of them will be 144 times n. Now, according to a very basic formula, we know sum of the interior angles of any polygon with n sides is n minus 2 times 180. So our hidden polygon has n sides, that's what the question says, and that's what we're supposed to find. So we're going to set up an equation. This 144 times n has to equal n minus 2 times 180. Now, you really want to pause the video here and make sure you understand where this equation is coming from. So, let's solve for n. So what we have here is 144n is equal to 180n times 360, and if you do a little bit of symbol manipulation, you're going to get 180n minus 144n is equal to 360. 180 minus 144 is 36, so I have 36n equal to 360. Therefore, n is 360 divided by 36, or 10. So the hidden polygon has exactly 10 sides.